Principle 11 in Napoleon Hill's Principles of Success is controlling your subconscious mind. And what he discovered is that people who mastered positivity and dismissed negative emotions tended to do much better. And it feels a little bit like affirmations, and it feels a little bit like surrounding yourself with positive people who confirm your strengths and give you confidence. All that plays into this. And specifically, what Napoleon Hill talks about is planting desires into your subconscious, because if you do not also plant positive desires, like, for example, if you want to achieve wealth, that's the desire. If you don't control your subconscious, it will begin to act randomly and possibly gravitate towards something negative or something more compulsive. So you have to actively control it, and you often control it through your conscious, for example, like the affirmations. Like, you repeat things to yourself, you have your society and community echo those sentiments, and then you start to believe it in your subconscious, something like that. And of course, today we have a field of emotional intelligence, which is also a way to control your emotions, which will in turn also keep you away from the negativity and steer you towards positivity, and even help to turn around your negative emotions into positive ones, all of which will make you a more positive person, which is a productive thing in its own. A lot of studies confirm that positive people simply achieve more than people who are negative, and we'll get into some of the techniques to control that in the next video.